we are committed to talks. And we have put all our issues on the table. And we asked our friends, bring your issues on the table, except one issue that we are not ready to discuss. Handshake, nusu mkate, that is an issue that the people of Kenya settled on the 9th of August. We are not ready, we don't have time to discuss issues to do with handshake and nusu mkate. But issues that concern the people of Kenya, whether it is what they call electoral justice, the constitution of IEBC, we have said we have no interest in Kenya Kwanza in deciding who will be the commissioner of IEBC. We have no interest in controlling the panel that will recruit commissioners. We have an interest in ensuring that our country holds free and fair elections. But you're also asking our friends, when elections are over, allow the country to move on. That is why we continue to plead with them that even as we speak, please do so in good faith. Don't blackmail the country with violence and anarchy. Allow us to engage on the issues that are of concern to the people of Kenya. And we have said we are ready. We want to listen to them. Even the servers are asking us to open. We have asked them, bring the issue on the table. Don't shout it in rallies. Bring it on the table. We will discuss. If there is a way, we will see. Because we have nothing to hide. We are confident, we are certain we won the last general election flat out.